Spain's flood disaster was its worst in recent history. Here's what went wrong. Reuters. The water was already knee-high on the ground floor of the hotel where Aitana Puchel had taken refuge. When she received a text alert from the regional government of Valencia at 8 p.m. on October 29, warning people to shelter in place from severe flash floods. "We could have done with the warning about 6 hours earlier," said the 23-year-old, who had fled with other local residents and guests to the first floor of the hotel near the town of Paiporta. Carlos Martinez, another Paiporta resident, tall. Below are your comments. My heart goes out to Spain. Having been hit by 3 hurricanes this year, Florida and our southern states feel the pain. If you build on a floodplain, try not to act surprised when you experience a flood. Doesn't that seem reasonable? Given the rapid evolution of these floodwaters, there was no real time to adequately warn anyone. Nature is brutal and unexpected, where all the planning in the world will prove no help. Stop the daft lunacy, now, dry off and begin healing and rebuilding what was lost for the better, or don't and wallow, leaving all to further weaken and erode. Some municipalities and local institutions had raised the alarm much earlier. Just like in the U.S. Some people listen to the scientists and experts, others choose not to and then blame everyone else. Then they want the people who smartly invested in the infrastructure, prepared or didn't build homes in a flood zone to pay for their poor decisions. Some were just ignorant conspiracy believers who were blaming the government for cloud seeding, claiming it caused the floods. So, if this is a floodplain and this happened 50 years ago, why is it due to climate change? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.